Love Your Choices welcomes you to Krem Dam, a cryptic cave in Krem Dam Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a well-known state for its natural beauties and wonders. One such example I can give you is the presence of caves and their formations. In this video, I would like to share some of my experiences and what I know about this cave. Krem Dam, located in Krem Dam at a distance of 58 kilometers from Shillong. This is the largest sandstone cave in the Indian subcontinent. It has a very large entrance with the stream entering the cave and running down its main passage. It has a length of 1,297 meters. The journey from Shillong to Krem Dam usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, depending on road conditions and traffic. The Krem Dam cave located in Krem Dam, Meghalaya, India, is one of the many fascinating natural wonders in the region. Meghalaya is famous for its extensive cave systems, and Krem Dam is no exception. This cave is known for its impressive stalactites and stalagmites formations, as well as its unique limestone structures. Exploring Krem Dam Cave can be a thrilling experience for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The cave's intricate passages and chambers offer a glimpse into the ancient geological history of the region. Visitors can marvel at the vast underground formations that have been sculpted by water over thousands of years. We are now entering into the heart of the cave. Cave can be dark and frightening, but the joy it gives is real. There is a lot of stone slabs in different sizes and shapes, which the river runs underneath. There are two ways which we can go, one at the right corner and one at the left corner. Once we choose to go from one side, we cannot cross over the other. And as we walk in some places, we have to bend, we have to crawl, and we cannot walk fast. We have to be very careful in walking this path, because once we slip off, we will fall into the water. Now the cave seems to be darker and darker, and you can see people walking or reaching already out there. We have taken a stop in this place as we could no longer walk further, because it is very dark, and the only thing which we were able to do here was to take a group photo, and we had to return back. It is really an amazing experience, though we were not able to explore the interiors of the cave. Now we have reached back towards the entrance of the cave. It is so large and wide, as if a museum. Hope this video will help you to know something more about this Krem Dam cave, which is so mesmerizing, which is so awesome. I also hope that you have really enjoyed watching this short video of Krem Dam.